Hi everyone, my name is Mark Davis and I'm super excited to be involved in the H2O Plus conference online on the 28th of November. That's a Sunday, starting at 9 a.m. And I'm super excited because there's some things that I'm really interested in sharing with you to do with words. Words that we say to people. Because people, of course, deserve to be completely comfortable coming into your session, very comfortable during the session, and they should come out of the session feeling even better than when they went in. That's true of all things, is it not? Especially if you don't want to get any benefit out of exercise. Because we know that to get some benefits out of exercise, it might be a little bit uncomfortable, but that's the investment that you're making to have better function in the long run, to actually feel better, stronger, have more opportunities available to you, to be stronger, more robust, more resilient. All words that have a lot of meaning to us that say, you know what, I'm doing well. But what about that client who comes in and says, I've got a painful knee. I've got a painful knee. Do we then say to them, you better not be doing my class? Because people doing my class need to be completely comfortable. Is that a fair thing to say? Do we say to them, watch out for that knee during the class if they decide to do the class? Watch out, that could be painful, that could get worse. That thing is bone on bone. Your x-ray says you've got age-related changes that are only going to get worse. I really think that you should be taking it easy. Maybe something gentler is for you. But remember, gentle exercise gets gentle results. So where do we go to? What do we say? What do we allow people to do? Do you know that the words that you use can set up what we call catastrophization in your client? They can make them think that imminently that knee's going to get significantly worse forever. Words that you use can cause what we call fear avoidance, where a person avoids activities because they're scared of being uncomfortable, because they don't understand what discomfort means, because you're using the word painful, damaging, grinding. These words have meanings in people's nervous systems that can be really counterproductive, and in fact it can magnify their experience of pain, of discomfort, and of loss of hope for what their future involves. So in our session, we're going to chat about words that can give you great emphasis, great impact, and great dynamic for your clients to in fact be significantly better off just by the way that you say them. Let's have a chat about words. Let's use words, scary words, great words, big words, little words that'll all arm you as an instructor to have the capacity to empower your clients. Looking forward to seeing you and exploring this on November the 28th. We'll see you there.